Hi, today we will talk about two popular 3D graphics programs, Cinema 4D and Blender. We'll compare their functionality, usability, cost, and community to help you decide which program is best for your needs. Cinema 4D, developed by Maxon, has long established itself as a powerful tool for professionals. Development of Cinema 4D began in the early 1990s for Amiga computers. The first 3 versions of the program were available exclusively for this platform. Since then, Cinema 4D has grown into one of the leading tools for creatives in a variety of fields, from motion design to product visualization. Blender is free and open-source software that is quickly gaining popularity due to its flexibility. Blender was originally developed as an internal tool for the Dutch animation studio Neo Geo and officially launched on January 2, 1994. The main author of the program is studio co-founder and software developer Ton Roosendaal. In July 2002, Ton Roosendaal was able to negotiate with investors to release Blender as an open-source project, leading to its widespread adoption and popularity. Let's look at the interface of each program. In Cinema 4D, it is more intuitive for beginners. Blender has a steeper learning curve, but its recent updates have greatly improved the user interface. Both programs offer a wide range of tools for modeling, texturing, and animation. Cinema 4D is known for its powerful motion graphics tools, while Blender offers excellent modeling capabilities. Maxon offers official support for Cinema 4D, and Blender is supported by a huge community of developers and artists. Cinema 4D is a commercial product with various licensing options. Blender is completely free, making it accessible to anyone who wants to learn 3D graphics. Both programs offer integration with popular platforms. For example, Cinema 4D tightly integrates with After Effects, making the work of motion designers easier. Blender has a huge number of free add-ons available for download, allowing you to expand its functionality. Eevee in Blender offers fast, real-time rendering, while Redshift for Cinema 4D is known for its high speed and quality. Cinema 4D is often used in motion design and broadcasting, while Blender finds its use in indie games and animation. Finally, both programs support a wide range of file formats, making it easy to share data between different tools. As we see, each program has its own strengths. If you're new to 3D graphics or working on a tight budget, Blender could be a great choice. But with Cinema 4D, you can easily learn how to work in 3D because it has an intuitive interface for beginners. Don't forget to share your opinion in the comments and tell us about your experience with these programs. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new videos. Bye everyone.